Hey guys, Stacy and George, Florida Parks After Dark. So today we are here to teach you guys how to save money at Disney World, because that is what people are asking, is how do we save money at Disney? So there are a lot of places that you can go to get Disney merch that is not at Walt Disney World. We've taken you guys to the Disney Character Warehouse. There's a lot of places outside the parks, Target, Walmart, Walgreens, that have a lot of Disney merch that is a lot less. So let's show you today how you can save money on your souvenirs when you come to Walt Disney World. We're gonna take you to the Target that is right outside the gates of Disney's Animal Kingdom. George is gonna take you there and we're gonna show you the merch. So come along, let's go.
Hey guys, here's Florida Parks After Dark. Hey listen, we're here at the Target, right here on 192, just near Animal Kingdom, and wanted to show you guys the amount of Disney merchandise you can buy here. There's the water bottles, and there's the t-shirts, and there's the autograph books, and the onesies, spray bottles, and then stuffies as far as the eye can see. Different shapes and sizes, keychains, hats, and even ears. Towels, and they have enough shirts, different styles, things you're not really going to see in the parks. They even have the fanny packs, backpacks, and all of it. So really what this is just a chance for you to get here, avoid what I would term as the Disney markup. Just because you're buying in the parks, prices are just escalated a little higher than what they would be here, but this is a way really to save some dollars. You have to leave property, come here and buy it, but it was really definitely worth the time and money to do that. So guys, listen, take the time, come out here to Target. Now they had similar things in the local Walmart and in Publix, which is our local grocery store, as well as like Walgreens or CVS, but this is a Target and the selection here is really outstanding. And I think what they really excel at is the clothing that you're not going to find other places. So with that being said, guys, through Florida Parks After Dark, this is a great way to save a few dollars. That's what we do for Florida Parks After Dark. Try to find ways to stretch those zitzing dollars. And with that said, guys, you have a fantastic day. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and you guys take care.